Pandaflow, a true bi-directional solution that connects Salesforce and NetSuite to unleash the power of integration. Pandaflow provides real-time data transfers between Salesforce and NetSuite effortlessly, providing businesses with live financial data in Salesforce. Revolutionize your customer relationship management, amplify sales visibility, and attain unprecedented financial clarity from a single unified platform. Allow your teams to access critical data from a single source of truth, securely. Empower your teams with live data and keep them better informed when they engage with customers.
Let's see how it works. Once you connect your Salesforce and NetSuite accounts, effortlessly transfer account and contacts information from Salesforce to NetSuite. Sync Salesforce products to NetSuite for easy access and management. Convert your Salesforce opportunities to sales orders in NetSuite for a more streamlined sales process. Never miss an order update again with our two-way sync feature for sales orders between NetSuite and Salesforce. Get a complete view of your financial data by syncing your NetSuite financials to Salesforce. You may also fully customize the workflow to meet your needs. Do more by doing less.
Elevate your business with Pandaflow. Sign up today at pandaflow.io.